Hi all, this is me Ricky again on my YouTube channel, and it's been a while that I have not shared anything on my YouTube channel. I don't know why, it's YouTube is my hobby and I like posting videos and just to document things that maybe in future sometime I can view all of this and what I used to do. And just for that, it's just a hobby, nothing much like I want to be a celebrity or a star or something. But yeah, just for my own happiness I do this. So as we all know, the current situation, coronavirus, and what we all are doing, lockdown in our own house, cannot go out and everything. So I thought to share my thoughts over this and what is going in my life, what is what is the update about my health, me losing weight. Because if anybody has seen right now my previous videos, it's all about how I'm how is my journey about losing weight. And I started YouTube, I started posting videos just to motivate myself, because this is the place where I can go and I can see my progress and the promises which I made to myself. So yeah, it's been a while now. I think it's almost been 1 year or maybe 8 9 months. The last video I posted about it, that I'm doing small things to lose weight and everything. So yeah, it's been almost 1 year that I somewhere mentally accepted that yes, I need to lose weight, and now this is the time that I can work on it. So it was happening eventually, like someday I'm trying this particular diet, someday I'm trying some new tantrum, new nuska and all that what we say. But yes, somewhere I was mentally prepared that now I need to lose weight. And last December 2019, on 16th of December, I decided that I want to take my weight loss journey on a next level, because abhi tak I was only doing it by my own YouTube videos, daily, after researching my own things and all that. But now I wanted to take some professional help, that which is actually going to help me out. So yes, there is a platform called Fitter. It's a fitness group, and there are many coaches and everything which is there, who helps you, and they charge you some fees, but that fee is very nominal. What we If we compare it to the market rates of personal trainer and everybody. So it's like an online coaching thing, that your coach will give you diet, exercise chart and everything which you need to follow. So I thought, yes, why not? Let's go and give it a try. Because I was following that group, there are many things they actually teach you, what is the science behind losing weight. So I was like, okay, let's follow. I followed that group for particular almost 1 year. uh, they used to tell how, what is your BMR, what is your TDEE. These are some scientific terms in weight loss program and everything, which we can discuss later. But basically they will tell you that what is the science behind losing weight, which I started learning, and I was liking it. I was able to lose my own weight somewhere around 3 to 4 kgs by just following that. And after that, on 16 December, I enrolled under a mentor, or we can say a coach, a fitness coach, who helped me a lot. So it was for 3 months, almost 12 weeks, we can say. And guys, you will not believe, that was the first 3 months of my life that I went to gym on regular basis, apart from here and there 1 day off or 2 day off because of some emergency. But apart from that, I went to gym each and every day. I was so dedicated. I don't know from where that motivation was coming, but yes, there was something inside me who wanted to change. Like, it's enough of having this body now, let's do something for yourself. So yeah, so now today is what, 19th of June 2020, and it's almost been 6 months that I've started my journey. And the update is, guys, I started at 90 kgs. Now I'm somewhere at 82 kgs. I lost 9 kgs initially. I went to 81. After that, this lockdown thing and everything happened. I was at my home eating all of the things which I can, not following any particular diet. So I gained 2 kgs again. I was 84. Then I came back here in Delhi. Then I started again my diet and everything. Now I'm at 82 kgs, and my target weight till July or end of the July will be 75 kgs, which I'm working on right now. And the journey is amazing. So everything is going really good. I can see such changes in my body which I doesn't even, I have never ever thought that I will able to do it. So, just a message for all of you, maybe somebody who might be or maybe watching my video, or maybe you will in the future. So, I am going to tell you that do not stop believing in yourself, especially the people who can relate to me. The people have weight issues, who want to lose weight, especially who want to lose weight. Uh, they think like, they give up, or maybe they just think that हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, खाना पीना बंद नहीं कर सकते यार, खाने के लिए तो जीते हैं एटलीस्ट मे फॉर मी. My approach to the life and to the weight loss is that I cannot leave food. I cannot stop eating. I need to eat whenever I want, whether I gain weight or not. That is the purpose of life. And you are earning just because you can eat bread, roti, whatever, अपना पेट भर सको. So that was all happening in my life. But trust me, guys, there are so many things. You can eat proper food, you can eat healthy food, your stomach will be full every time, and you will still lose weight. It's just that you need to know what is the right science behind it. So in my videos, in my YouTube channel, whenever I get time, I am thinking to post a lot of videos which I do, my home workout, what is my schedule and everything. Maybe it will help any one of you who might be watching, or it is just for my personal documentation that this is something which I did in my life, so that will be there. And apart from that, another documentation that it's been almost coronavirus hit India in February, right? Yes. And it's June, February, March, April, May, June. It's almost 5 months of coronavirus, and India is at its peak number of cases at the moment, and especially Delhi. Delhi is like a bomb, and going out is not the same which we used to do earlier. Apart from that, people are dying. I don't know what is happening. There are so many people dying. This year started on a very bad note for me. On the very first day of this year, first January, my grandfather died. He was old, so I understand, but still he left us. And apart from that, nothing good was happening, but still there is a hope that this is what life is. Maybe now we are in 2020. That is the time, we used to what we say, we used to watch in movies, especially in Hollywood movies, that 2012 is there is a movie and what not ki दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी and all that. So I don't know, maybe ऐसा हो भी सकता है, ऐसा नहीं भी. So see, it's already uncertain. Whether there is a pandemic or not, life is uncertain. You can die anytime. So I don't think there is nothing to be scared about. It's just that follow all the precautions. घर में रहो, घर में बैठो. Do not go out if it is not required, obviously. And apart from that, yeah, there is one more thing. Again, documenting one of my favorite, and which I admire a lot, Sushant Singh Rajput, one of the famous celebrity. I don't know, he died, he committed suicide, or there is a murder. We don't know at the moment, but yes, it is happening. A lot of good people we have lost in Indian cinema, which used to influence us a lot, being general fan. That's it, that is happening. Earthquakes are happening, earthquakes are coming in, like they come and visit anytime you want. I'm sitting on my chair working, and suddenly something is shaking, and I was like, what the hell is happening? And it's a normal news now in 2020 that earthquakes are coming. uh, we have one this thing where locust attack was there, जो हिंदी में टिड्डे बोलते हैं, grass hoppers, you know, वो वाले, they are flying in so many numbers. Oh my god, shit, what is happening now? I'm just speaking all of these things, so it's almost feel like that we are into a movie, and everybody is at their home and everything is going to finish and all that. But I know, just keep your calm. I think everything will be back on place. I know it will not be as same as what we used to live earlier, but I think that is how now we need to learn to live with all of these things. And sanitizing your hands, washing your hands, maintaining basic hygiene was always important. It's just that I think coronavirus is like a reminder to all of these things, that you do need to sanitize your hand. It's good to wear a mask and all these things. Yeah, that is it. Apart from that, guys, I know depression is real, anxiety is real, especially at my age, people at my age, maybe from 20 to 30 years, and more than that as well. There are so many things which we expect in our life, but it doesn't go the way we plan, obviously. Me growing every time, year by year, I have witnessed a lot of things like what we have planned, and it did not went through like that, and it is not happening at the moment as well. So we just need to go with the flow, just be happy, be grateful that at least you have a roof, you have food to eat, and you're living a good life at the moment. So there is nothing to be depressed about. I understand you will get those feelings into your head कि क्या होगा आगे, shit ये plan किया था, ऐसे किया था. I know it is not gonna happen, but have patience. If you will keep on working, things will happen one day. And I don't think so you need to get depressed about it. You can think, if overthinking is called depression or anxiety, I don't know, because at our parents age, I don't know they even know about depression and anxiety, because उनको कभी इतना time ही नहीं मिला. तो सेम थिंग विद अस, गेट योर सेल्फ बिजी, काम करते रहो. डिप्रेशन होगा, डिप्रेस फीलिंग्स आएंगी, बट अगेन just think into your head that what all things you have in life to lead such a good life. Even I think even I have partially borderline depression or whatsoever, but I know one thing, that whatever I have got at the moment, I am very grateful. And any feeling in the world, any depressed feeling in the world doesn't uh, you know doesn't need that much attention, that you're gonna harm yourself, you're gonna commit suicide, you want to end your life. No, this life is very precious. We do not know till how long we are on this earth with our loved ones, but we are not the one who will decide to take our own life. That is not what God has decided. So just be calm. I think this year will go away. Bad time happens, tough time comes, but tough time go away as well very soon. It's just that you need to be very, very strong, and to keep sane at your home, at one place. If you're living alone like me, working all the time, do things which you like. It is going to help you a lot. Talk to people, talk to whomsoever you want. Nobody is stopping you to talk. Open yourself, baat karo. Do not think that what that person is gonna think, what that person is not going is going to judge you or not. you know Try to talk to people. लड़ाई होंगी, झगड़े होंगे, but just understand one thing: the people you have in your life, you should be grateful to them as well, because they are very, very important people. Friends होते हैं, families होती है, you fight, you argue, but always be with them. Talk things, make them understand. If they are not understanding you what you are feeling, make them understand. But guys, do not do something where you are going to harm yourself, because it is already a very tough time for everybody, for you, your family, your neighbors, your extended family. We will come over this very soon, this coronavirus situation, and everything will go away. Just be strong. That's all I want to say. And I know I'm speaking to a camera, maybe you guys are watching, but all these things I'm talking to myself as well. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं किसी को सिखा रही हूँ या बता रही हूँ that I'm a pro at this, but all these things, it is actually I'm saying for me as well, to make me understand that yes, everything is going to be okay, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And apart from that, everything is going good. I'm at my home. I work 9 to 10 hours. Office का काम work from home चलता है. After that, I have a good sleep. Then I work out. I cook for myself. I clean my house. तो you know, एक दिन कहाँ चलता है चला जाता है, 24 hours go just like that, पता ही नहीं चलता. And this is my current phase. I have not taken a shower right now, just woke up, just had this feeling to talk out, and I know this is going to be a very long video, but this is just for me. So everything is going to be fine, and I'm doing a really good job. I think if you will watch my previous videos, I think you can make out some difference on my face. Apart from that, I can show you my muscles which I have built. So guys, this is my hand now, and it is, it is, see, this is my biceps which I have built. My hand is so much toned, guys. See, this is the triceps I'm working on right now. I love to have triceps, but it will come. I have some loose skin right now, but I think it will come very soon. My forearms look good, if you can see this cut here. So I'm very excited. Small things which you can get excited about in your life. My neckline is coming better. पहले तो दिखती ही नहीं थी. People used to say you do not have a neck. So I was like, okay, yeah, you will see my neck one day. That's fine. And yeah, that's it. That's everything for today. I just want to tell you I will be with more videos whenever I feel like I have extra time. I'm gonna film, because making movies, not movies, like shooting things you're doing, you're cooking. I'm so much into cooking nowadays, cooking healthy food for me. I'm so much into home workouts using resistance band. I'm so much into planning the diet, and I'm thinking a lot of things for me at the moment. So everything will happen one by one. So I will share whenever I want, and that will be my YouTube channel, my own happy place. So till then, guys, let's just wait for the next video. And I love you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.